You have to wait for a card to arrive by mail before you can use your account. But in these cases, you can start immediately. With many credit cards, you don't have to wait for a piece of plastic to arrive in the mail before making your first purchase. Instant card numbers used to be rare, but today, most major issuers offer ways for approved cardholders to immediately tap their credit line. And at least one American Express offers access to credit card numbers immediately after approval on all of its consumer credit and charge cards. Cards associated with certain brands such as store cards, airline cards, and hotel cards also commonly offer instant access to credit. The list below, while not comprehensive, includes some of the top credit cards you can use immediately after being approved for them. There's a difference between instant approval credit cards and credit cards that offer instant use upon approval. Instant approval for a card is common among major issuers, but instant access to that credit line after approval isn't always available. The Blue Cash Preferred Card from American Express comes with a solid 0% April offer, 0% intro April for 12 months on purchases and balance transfers, and then the ongoing April of 20.24%, 29.24% variable April. And it starts with a good welcome offer: earn a $250 statement credit after you spend $3,000 in purchases on your new card within the first 6 months. Terms apply. This card carries a $0 intro annual fee for the first year, then $95. Plus, it offers an industry-leading 6% cashback at U.S. supermarkets on up to $6,000 in spending per year, 6% cashback on streaming subscriptions, such as Netflix, HBO, and Audible, 3% on transit and gas at U.S. gas stations, and 1% on all other purchases. Terms apply. See rates and fees. More: how an Amex card's instant credit access helped me fix my roof. How to use it instantly. Eligible cardholders will be able to get an instant card number immediately after being approved online. The number can be used anywhere American Express is accepted where a physical card isn't required. Eligibility for an instant card number is based on Amex's ability to instantly verify your identity. Instant card numbers are available only on online Amex applications, not through applications processed by phone. The Chase Sapphire Preferred Card is a popular card for frequent travelers seeking perks without the big price tag of ultra-premium cards. The sign-up bonus is plenty enticing. Earn 60,000 bonus points after you spend $5,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. You'll also earn 5 points per $1 on Travel's Ultimate Rewards, 3 points per $1 spent on dining, including takeout and delivery, online grocery purchases and select streaming services, 2 points per $1 spent on other travel purchases, and 1 point per $1 spent on everything else. Points are worth 1.25 cents each when redeemed for travel through Chase. Other perks include a $50 annual credit on hotel stays purchased through Chase, travel insurance, and the ability to transfer points to airline and hotel partners. How to use it instantly. Upon approval, you can add the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card to your digital wallet to use when shopping in person or online, where digital wallets are accepted. Chase-issued cards are compatible with several well-known digital wallets, including Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, and Google Pay. More: full review of the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. Bank of America Premium Rewards Credit Card. Our pick for Bank of America customers. Why we like it. The Bank of America Premium Rewards Credit Card earns 2 points per $1 spent on travel and dining purchases, and 1.5 points per $1 spent on everything else. It has a $95 annual fee, but it comes with up to $200 in travel statement credit rewards. Plus, this bonus for new cardholders: receive 60,000 online bonus points, a $600 value after you make at least $4,000 in purchases in the first 90 days of account opening. If you're a member of the bank's preferred rewards program, your rewards will get a 25% to 75% boost depending on the balances in your eligible accounts. The Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card is designed for people who want travel rewards that are easy to earn and nearly effortless to redeem. The $95 annual fee card earns 2 miles per $1 spent on everyday purchases, and 5 miles per $1 on hotels and car rentals booked through Capital One Travel. Miles are worth 1 cent each and can be used to book travel through Capital One, redeemed as a statement credit against travel purchases or transferred to multiple partner airline and hotel programs. New cardholders will also receive a healthy sign-up bonus. Enjoy a one-time bonus of 75,000 miles once you spend $4,000 on purchases within 3 months from account opening, equal to $750 in travel. More, how to make the most of your Capital One venture.